for your chance to play The People versus Dave next week, our last show of the series, you can enter online. You can enter online at rtd.com/push from midday on... Lisa, where do you want to go?
Number 18.
Number 18. Oh, God.
What's that expensive one?
Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks for your support, everybody.
Derek, you don't have to pick anybody else. You can stick with what you've got. You're going to stick? I'll stick. He's going to stick, Derek.
Lisa, have a look at your 3. You've got 3 there. Do you want any more?
Yeah.
Yes?
Number 5.
Number
please.
5. Where's number 5? Any instruments in the way? No. This one. Agreement. Who can hula hoop for the longest time? Let's find out.
Hoops when there's a moose, loose about this hoose.
That was Fossils from Carnival of the Animals by Camille Saint-Saëns.
And in less than 24 hours, Candice and Claire will have to play that in front of 1,000 people.
Here she goes. Here she goes.
I know it better than her now. I've only been here a few hours.
Here goes Claire. Look who's here. Look, blowing his own trumpet. What?
A stab. She should know it. Yes, of course she should know it. But she doesn't. All right? That's an improvement. That just there, that was an improvement. That's a good sign. Ooh. Ooh.
Laughed. I'm going to make a special spicy tuna macaroni and cheese pie.
Right.
Bit of jerk seasoning. I'm hoping it's not that hot.
I've noticed quite a shortage of fresh ingredients, but I think really that's small change when you think it's macaroni, cheese and tuna with a Caribbean twist. Luckily for Lisa, being a good TV chef is as much about your presenting skills as what you cook.
So we've invited along this morning's very own Gino D'Acampo to give the girls a few tips.
Cooking is easy, but cooking live on television is not. It's very important to tell people a story about the dish, even if it's not true. Nobody will ever know. Just come up with a story.
Like I made this flour myself.
No, that is a little bit...
That's a bit far-fetched. Pasta's from Italy, didn't you know? And I like Italy.
I think he does know that.
We need to make sure that the garlic doesn't go brown because then it gets bitter. Smile.
This is not going well.
So he's number one.
Okay.
It's all over.
1, 2, and you, young man, are number 3.
So we're going to pour it in and stand back. So here we go. For all you alcoholics, a little woo!
Oh God, he's going to set fire to the place.
There's too much to think about. I don't know if I'm coming up physically sick. What do you think?
Yeah. It looks... I mean, we need to think about the presentation a bit.
Virgin's here.
Right, oh, that's it. Look, that looks good. Well, it tastes a lot better than it looks.
Right terminology.
So we had a roasted, then we add our sausages.
Hang on there for a second and see what's going on over here with Lisa.
Yeah.
Well done, Caroline. Remember those cameras, engage with those cameras, but you're doing very well.
Put them in this oil.
3 different peppers there.
I do use 3 different peppers. Again, you can use whatever peppers you like.
Now what we're going to do, you guys are going to present...
I love it.
Good, we've got all the colours available. What do you want, Pet?
Oh, I'm going to go green, I think.
Green.
Thank
Can
you.
we have a green question, please, Dave?
Green's over here, I've got it. Hi, Dave. How's your week been?
Oh, it's been fine, thank you.
Oh, good, sorry. I was actually talking to Dave, not you. Dave, can we have a green question, please? Good. And place your stakes. What do you think the Happy 100 thought was better, crisps or chocolate? I know what I'd say.
I know what I'd say.
What would you go for?
I'd go for chocolate.
I'd go for crisps.
See?
We're different.
But we complement each other.
We do,
All
we do.
times off your total.
Question number 1 is a £5 question, which
Sorry? What? Have you been drinking again?
It's a £5 case. Sometimes we like to just get away from it all, you know, just have a little bit of Ant and Dec time. Just me and him and the open road.
We've had some magical times, haven't we?
Don't talk about them.
No.
You mustn't talk about them.
Good between me and you. OK. Now then, we're going to read you a postcard that we were joking, by the way. It's got very Camp Tonight's show. I was joking. The rules are, we're going to read you a...
Our first postcard.
Oh,
Bit quick, that one.
I hate that postman!
There it is.
That's
Bit
dead.
quick.
Right, number 2.
I thought I had it.
Posty!
I thought I had it.
Get over here. What are you playing at, man? It's a postman. Send him the postman. She's so sacked tonight. Oh, no. You let your mum and the camera had naked pictures of your boyfriend on it. Well, it just so happens I've gotten a hold of those photos. But I'm not going to embarrass you by showing those pictures to everyone who's watching. I'll just show them to Dec, right? Dec, check this out.
Whoa!
That's a lot of baby lotion.
That's a lot of baby.
What kind of helmet's that?
It's a fireman's helmet.
Fireman's helmet, yeah? So it's got to keep his modesty in check. Well, I won't show anybody else these. Emily?
I don't think anybody noticed. Hello there. Welcome to Push the Button.
Let's move on to another caller. Who's on line 2?
It's Rebecca from Leicester.
Hello, Rebecca. You sound fun and sane. All colours are available still. What colour do you want?
Green, please.
Green. Can we have a green question, please, Dave?
I'll speak slowly this time. Hello, Dave. Can we have a green question, please? Good one. Who played the character Rachel Green in the American sitcom Friends?
It was Jennifer Aniston.
Dave, she said Jennifer Aniston. Is that right?
Yes, it was Jennifer Aniston. Well done. Let's see what's behind green.
Staying in is the new going out with this home entertainment stack, courtesy of Littlewood.
Well done, Rebecca. Are you pleased with that?
Yes, I am. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for calling. Bye. We got time for one more? Yes, we do. Line 3. Who's there?
Hi, it's Robert in Halifax.
Hello, Robert Halifax. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Green's gone. What colour do you want?
Is who can drink an extra thick McDonald's milkshake through a straw the fastest? Me or Ant? You've got 10 seconds to make your choice and place your stakes. No maximum on this one, between 1,000, whatever you've got left. This could be the difference between winning and losing.
OK, Paul, like Deck said, this is where things turn around. Hopefully we can do it again tonight. Who did you go for, me or Deck?
Stuck to loyalty and went for you, Ant.
You went for me, OK. That's Paul.
What did you go for?
And I hope you like milkshake, mate. I went for you.
Okay. Went for Ant as well. So, both of you have gone for the same person.
Cheers.
Who? Yeah, real vote of confidence that. Who can drink an extra thick milkshake the quickest, me or Ant? Let's find out.
Oh, ice cream headache. Oh, that's bad. Done.
Yes! Get in there! 3 in a row. 3 in a row. But more important...
Last week on Push the Button Live, the teeth of Simon Cowell, the voice of Boyzone, and a battle of the stars. The reigning champions kept their crown, but lost their cool against Dave. Anyone beat the Simpsons? We're about to find out. And now, please welcome your hosts, Ant and Deck.
Thank you very much. Lovely welcome. Hello, and welcome to Push the Button, the show where two families go head-to-head in a battle to take home a massive cash prize.
This is our 4th show of this series, and Ant's family have only managed to win 1 between them, which means my family are still the reigning champions.
Which means my family are still the reigning champions.
He's rattled, somebody's rattled, somebody's rattled.
Doesn't bother us.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't bother us your family's been winning for the last couple of weeks.
Really?
I'm fine with it.
Yeah?
I'm fine. I'm completely and only fine with it. In fact, I couldn't be more fine if I tried. All right. Good. Coming up tonight, I've got a brand new family to take on Deck's reigning champions. 2 of our teams face a penalty shootout at the Carling Cup final in front of 90,000 screaming fans, and there are some great prizes up for grabs in the People versus Dave.
But it's time to meet the real stars of tonight's shows. It's the family's first up my lot, the 2-time Push the Button champions. Please welcome back